if you're someone who wants to upgrade your English to advanced level, this is the right course for you. In this entire course or in this entire series, we'll have total 50 videos in which we'll cover fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and more importantly, writing skills. So what I'm trying to say here is that throughout these 50 videos, we're going to cover each and every aspect of fluency and we'll try to reach to the advanced English level. This is our ultimate target. Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Sam and Ash. This is Ash, your trainer. And if you are new to this channel, you're more than welcome to subscribe and like our videos so that you and I can be in touch throughout this advanced English series. Now, let's talk about the very first concept in advanced English, and that is, what is fluency? It's really important to understand what is fluency. Most of us are often confused with this definition. For some, fluency means that if I have good grammar, I'm a fluent speaker. For some, fluency means if I can communicate properly, I'm a fluent speaker. And for many of us, fluency means if I don't fumble. That means if I don't stop while speaking, I am a fluent speaker. In all of these definitions, which one is the correct definition? So let's look into what is the actual definition of fluency. Fluency simply means the ability to speak or read a language easily and accurately. If you are able to speak a language easily, that means you don't have to put a lot of efforts to speak and you are able to do it accurately. And when we talk about accurately, we actually mean that we are using right words and we are using the right grammar rule to describe our sentence. If I'm using the right words, if my grammar is thoroughly correct, I can call myself a fluent speaker. Along with that, if I'm able to read the particular text with proper accuracy and with easy access to the resources, I can call myself a fluent speaker. Once we are well aware of fluency, we'll be understanding 4 mistakes in the path of fluency. On your screen, you can actually see only 3 mistakes because the 4th one is for you to guess and you have to leave that in the comment section. But before that, let me talk about the first 3 mistakes that we make in the path of fluency. The very first mistake is we over-focus on grammar instead of speech. For example, if I'm talking to somebody in a business meeting or in a corporate meeting, my entire focus will be on whether my grammar is correct, whether I'm using simple present tense, this tense, whether I'm using correct prepositions or not, and I'll not be worried about the speech. And when you do that, when you over-focus on the grammar range, you often make mistakes and you are not able to give your entire presentation with proper fluency. In the start, we are passionate. We have so much energy. We want to prove to the world that I am a good speaker. And with time, after 3 days, 4 days, you give up on this process. Which brings me to the last mistake in the path of fluency, and that is losing confidence. Let's say you are going for that presentation. In the second slide, you make a mistake. What happens now? You are all embarrassed. You lose the confidence. You tell yourself, I'm not able to do this. And that is a big mistake. You should not do that. I understand it's not easy for us to have this confidence all the time with us, but if I'm making a mistake, does it mean that I have to tell myself that I'm not able to do the process? No, you just have to take a second and start again. Now, in this entire journey of fluency, in this entire 50 video series, this is exactly what we will be solving. We'll be solving how not to focus too much on grammar, how not to lose our confidence and enthusiasm. Before I talk about a weekly plan, in this video, I'm going to show you a weekly plan of exactly what type of activities you should do on day 1, day 2, day 3. When I say day 1, day 2, I actually mean Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday. I have planned a whole series where I'll be showing you the activities that you can do on daily basis. Before I take you to the next part of the session where I'll be introducing you a weekly plan from Monday to Sunday, we have divided Monday to Sunday with certain activities that I want you to participate in. But before that, I want to introduce our English Advanced course live sessions. The batch is starting on 20th of January. There are two batches, the morning batch and the evening batch. The morning batch is for grammar series. If you are somebody who only wants to work on your grammar, maybe for some job interviews, maybe for some kind of competitive exams, you can join the morning batch. And if you are looking for one-to-one speaking practice, but in a group, you want to speak in front of me, you want to take the feedback, you can join the evening batch. I'm going to repeat myself. Morning is for grammar batch and the evening is for practice of English speech. And the target there as well will be to just talk about advanced English. Alright, we'll be talking about advanced English. Please visit our website english.learnwithsamanash.com. On the website, you can actually see both the batches are live. You have to register there and you can be part to practice with. Now let's move on to the second topic for today, that is weekly table. As I already said, I'm going to show you a table which has certain activities starting from Monday till Sunday. And this is how your table looks like. I'm going to zoom it a little bit because we have a lot of text in this. I hope this is clear with you all. You can see it properly. Wonderful. Now here, if you see very carefully, we have days here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm not teaching you days, of course. Don't worry about it. Over here, you have activity number 1, activity 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I trying to say here is, in 7 days, you have to do 5 activities. But every day, there will only be 2 activities assigned. I don't want you to overdo anything. I don't want you to, be aggressive in the start and later lose all the confidence. No, we are not going to do that. If I am saying on Monday, all you have to do is read and all you have to do is to talk about something, just do that. Slow and steady wins the race. I don't want you to be a rabbit who is aggressive in the start and slowly lose all the confidence. No, I want you to be a tortoise where you will be slow, but you will be consistent in this process. On Tuesday, I have movies and describe an image assigned to it. What are these activities? What is a movie clip? What is reading? What is describing? That is the part of this Advanced English course series. On the coming days, we'll be talking about each segment properly. I'll teach you the method, I'll teach you the process, and I'll teach you exactly what you have to expect from this. Alright? So don't worry right now. This is just the introductory session. On Wednesday, you have 2 activities again. Then comes the Thursday, again 2 activities. Every day only 2 activities. And also please understand, when I say reading, I only expect you guys to invest 15-20 minutes per activity. If there is another one, 15 minutes. In a way, overall, 30 minutes is something that I want you to work at home. Isn't that too less or is it too much? If it's too much, I'm so sorry. This is something that I expect from you guys. But if it's okay, please give me 30 minutes per day. If you give me 30 minutes per day and do exactly what I'm telling you to do, it's easy. Believe me, it's way too easy to become an advanced English speaker. Now, we have Friday, 2 activities. We have Saturday, 2 activities. We have Sunday, 2 activities. No holiday here. Again, if this is too slow for you, you got it all covered and you just want to practice with me, join our English course. But if you are somebody who wants to see more videos in this series, subscribe the channel Learn with Sam and Ash. Alright, now let me take you to the very last part of this session, and that last part is what is the instruction from this particular weekly table. What exactly am I doing here? You have to follow this for 2 to 4 months based on which level you are. If you are basic, we'll talk about basic theme. If you are intermediate level, we'll talk about intermediate assignments. Also, you have to just start with 2 activities, as I already said. And lastly, any particular word that you learn in the entire practice sessions, you have to use it in real life context. If you learn a word serene, use it. I saw a serene sunset. I saw a serene lake. This is something that I'm going to teach you while we discuss the next chapter, or maybe the coming chapters. We'll be talking about vocab, we'll be talking about fluency, we'll be talking about writing skills, and we'll talk about grammar. This is exactly how this 50 sessions will look like. Every day there is a session. Every day you will have an activity, but again, our baseline is to fix on 2 activities per day. How to do those 2 activities, I'll teach you in the forward sessions. Now, that brings me to the end of this session. I hope you had fun. If yes, like this video, watch the next video. If not, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know how can I make it better. All right. Don't forget to give me the 4th mistake in the path of fluency. I only talked about 3 mistakes. The 4th one is in homework for you. Give me what is the 4th mistake in the series of fluency. That's all for today. Enjoy yourself. This is Ash. I'm taking off. Bye-bye. Take care.